Hello, I'm Dr. Nicholas Cohen, and I'm here to share with you a top 10 list of tips for round ligament pain during pregnancy. These are tips to help identify, prevent, and treat round ligament pain. Tip number 1 is to be able to identify round ligament pain. The round ligaments are a natural part of your body. They support the uterus. The uterus is where your baby grows during pregnancy. They're like rubber bands, and they stretch throughout your pregnancy. They can often cause pain, either sharp or dull, and as your baby gets bigger. Usually this pain starts after 12 weeks, after your first trimester. And the location of the pain is usually on your hips and going down to your groin area. Tip number 2 is if you are having pain during pregnancy, it's important to talk to whoever is taking care of your baby with you. Your pregnancy with you. Either your obstetrician, your family doctor, or your midwife. Because there are a lot of reasons to have pain during pregnancy. You want to make sure that this is in fact round ligament pain and not something else. And something else that I would be talking about is, for one example, would be labor. So labor will have regular contractions, and usually more than 4 in an hour. And your whole abdomen will usually tighten when you're having labor pains. Whereas with round ligament pain, the pain is not regular, and it's usually related to movement or position changes. And it's usually an aching pain. The pain of round ligament pain is also not as strong as the pain of labor. Infection is another possible cause of pain during pregnancy that you must be sure you don't have when you have pain. Infections can be of your kidneys, and this usually causes pain in your sides that goes down into your groin. Sometimes it causes back pain as well. And you usually have a little bit of blood in your urine, although you might not be able to see it. Other kinds of infection are urine infection, where it burns when you urinate, or you're urinating more than you normally do during pregnancy. And infection in your stomach or abdomen, such as appendicitis, which can cause pain usually in the right lower area of your stomach, but it can actually be in all different sorts of places during pregnancy. This is a kind of pain that can cause a fever, can cause you to be nauseated, and can cause you to vomit. And a third type of pain that you make sure whoever's taking care of your pregnancy that you don't have is ectopic pregnancy, where the baby is growing outside of your uterus. This is not usually something that a cause of pain after 12 weeks, but it is important in all cases to make sure you talk to whoever's taking care of your pregnancy before you're certain that it's round ligament pain that's causing you discomfort. Tip number 3 is you can prevent round ligament pain by slow position changes. Whenever you turn or get up from a seated position or sit down from standing, you can prevent the pain, which often is because you're stretching the ligaments quickly, by moving slowly when you're changing position. Tip number 4 is to walk daily. I recommend walking for at least 30 minutes every day of the week when you're pregnant and even when you're not pregnant. In particular, when you're pregnant, there's a lot of stress that occurs to your round ligaments and to your abdomen as a result of the pregnancy, and remaining in overall good health and physically fit is a really important way to prevent round ligament pain. Furthermore, round ligament pain you can actually feel better from walking if you're experiencing the pain. A lot of times the pain can occur after you've been sitting for a long time. So taking a walk is a great way to feel better when you're having this pain after sitting or lying down for some time. Tip number 5 is I recommend doing this stretch if you have round ligament pain, and even if you don't have it and you want to prevent round ligament pain. So you should get on all fours with your hands and knees on the floor, and keeping your bottom in the air, lower your head to the floor. This helps stretch and strengthen the pelvic muscles that support your uterus during pregnancy. Tip number 6 is, here's a stretch you can do when you're in pain. It's bringing your knees into your chest. This is a great way to relieve the strain on your round ligaments. It can be done while you're seated, or it can be done while you're lying on your side. But it often does help a lot when you can do this stretch when you're having the pain. Tip number 7, as you can see in this picture, another way to relieve the pain of round ligament pain is to lie on the side that's not affected by the pain. Usually round ligament pain occurs on your right side, so lie on your left side. However, round ligament pain could be on your left side, it could be on both sides. But you should lie on the side that hurts less. And you put one pillow under your belly for support and one pillow between your legs. This is a very comfortable position to be in if you're experiencing round ligament pain. Tip number 8 is to apply heat. Heat is a very effective and harmless way of helping your pain when you're having round ligament pain. You can use a heating pad on a low setting. You can take a warm bath, or you can wet some washcloths with warm water and put them where you're having the pain. Tip number 9 is, if all of these methods that I've described don't help and you're still having pain, and you've spoke to whoever's taking care of your pregnancy and you're sure it's round ligament pain, whoever's taking care of your pregnancy may recommend Tylenol or acetaminophen for the pain. The recommended doses are 325 to 650 every 4 to 6 hours, and only as needed. You can take up to 1 gram every 6 to 8 hours, but you should not take more than 4 grams in 24 hours. Acetaminophen is safe in pregnancy, and so it is recommended if you do take something for your pain. And tip number 10 is to believe in yourself. Round ligament pain is a normal part of pregnancy. It goes away after you deliver. It often gets better as pregnancy progresses. And I presented several helpful ways to deal with and prevent the pain of your round ligaments. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you very much for listening, and have a great day.